Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you some of my Montessori inspired activities for children 2 to 5 years old. This first activity is a literacy activity. We're going to use a book with a nursery rhyme, Hey Diddle Diddle. We're going to use some flashcards and a letter, the letter C. This is from a puzzle. These flashcards I got from prekinders.com. This is a free printable. So first thing we do is go over the flashcards. Cat, fiddle, cow, moon, dog, dish, spoon. Then we open our book and we say the nursery rhyme. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with a spoon. The next thing we do, as we're saying the nursery rhyme, we have our child look at the cards. We say, hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. Fiddle's like a violin. The cow, here's a cow, jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with a spoon. We also want to point out that cat begins with the letter C. C, k, cat, cat. For this next activity, we have a free printable. This is from scholastic.com, and it's some pictures, and we're going to put the pictures, we're going to color them, cut them, and put them on some popsicle sticks, and we're going to have some puppets. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. Good job. The cow jumped over the moon. Where's the cow?
Right there.
All right. The cow jumped over the moon. Good job, Joshua Diego. The little dog laughed. Where's the dog? There's the doggy. To see such a sport, and the dish ran away with a spoon. Yay, running away. Hey diddle diddle, the cat. The cat, good job. Can you match the cat? The cat and the fiddle. Where's the fiddle? Can you find the fiddle?
Right there.
Right there. Okay. The cow. Where's the cow? The cow?
Yeah.
Good job. Jumped over the moon.
The moon.
The moon. Can you find the moon? Good job. The little dog laughed. Why did the dog laugh? Can you match the dog? They're right there. To see such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Good job. Can you match that? Good job. This next activity is a tracing activity. We're going to use this printable. This is from Highway ABC Cards for Tracing. So the first thing we want to do is have your child trace the letter C. And as they're tracing with their finger, we're saying the sound. It's a great idea if you can teach them a little song. Let's say, the C says K, the C says K. Every letter makes a sound, the C says K. Then we're going to be tracing the letter using a manipulative. I'm going to use these little blocks. These are from Dollar Tree. It's a little box with blocks. There's 36 blocks. And what we're going to do, we're going to have our toddler trace the letter C. So they put all the little blocks all the way around saying the C says K. Now if you don't have the little blocks, you can use whatever you have. You can actually use whatever you have. If you have some bottle tops, these work great. So your child is going to be putting them around and saying the C says K, the C says K. Every letter makes a sound, the C says K. This is a fun way to teach our children the letters and their sounds. This next activity is a sewing activity. This is a picture I printed from the internet. I just put I laminated it for durability, and then we're going to use a shoestring. Sewing is a wonderful Montessori practical life activity. So what we want to do is tell our child that we're going to go over and under, over and under. This is another fine motor skills activity that helps strengthen the child's hand muscles. This is also great for concentration, hand-eye coordination, and as the child is done doing the sewing, it helps build self-confidence when they see their work. This next activity is a number recognition activity. I have some cards that I printed. These are index cards, and I just printed pictures on them. We're going to use some magnetic numbers and a manipulative, whatever you have at home that you can use. So the first thing we do, we put the cards on the table, then we put the numbers. We say there's 1 cat, there's 2 dishes, there's 3 cows, 4 moons, and 5 spoons. Then we'll use a manipulative and we say, can you put 1 button on the cat? Can you put 2? 1 for each dish. 1, 2. There's 3 cows. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you don't have buttons, you can use whatever you have. If you have some of these are little hearts. These are from Dollar Tree. You can use that. There's 4 moons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count the spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a great activity for number recognition and number quantity and one-to-one correspondence. For this next activity, it's also a letter recognition activity. We're using a notebook, some crayons, and we're going to use some stickers, alphabet stickers, and also some picture stickers. So in the notebook, we have letters and pictures. So today we're going to look at the letter C. We're going to have our child trace the letter C and remember our little song. The C says K, the C says K. Every letter has a sound, the C says K. Then they can color it, they can trace it with their crayon. And they can do the same thing for the lowercase letter. They can color the cat, and on this side, they can put some stickers with the letter C. The next thing we want to do is put some stickers with the alphabet with the letter C. Just get the letter C and go, can you find the letter C over here? Okay, let's do one more letter C. You can also use pictures that start with the letter C. We have some stickers. This is a picture of a cat. Cat. Let's look in here, see if anything begins with the letter C. Oh yes, look, here's some carrots. Carrots. Oh look, here's cat. Cat in the hat. That also starts with the letter C. Another thing that you can do is use some letter stamps. These are from Target. I think I paid $3 for these. And you need a little ink pad. We're going to use the letter C. Children love to stamp and to put stickers. That's the letter C for cat. K. 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 What a fun way for children to learn their letters and the letter sound. This next activity, I have an open-ended tray. I have a little sensory box. I have some books. We can look at the books and find the cat with the letter C. Here's another little book with a lot of cats. Here's a book, God Made Animals, and then we can look to see if we find a picture of the cats. This is an ABC book, and we can look. Oh, there's the letter C for cat. There's also something they can play with if they want to do the letter, if they can draw something, then erase. This is a fun activity. This one is a connect the dots from 1 to 10 if your child's a little bit older and he's already able to connect the dots. This I printed, and I actually got it from this book. This is from Dollar Tree, from School Zone, and it has counting from 1 to 10, and it has a lot of fun activities for them. But I went ahead and got this one, and I laminated it for durability. Another fun activity is this paint with water, and this is also from Dollar Tree. It's got really cute pictures, and the best thing is that you don't need paints because the paint is already in the picture. So you just need a paintbrush, some water, or if you don't have a paintbrush, you can use a Q-tip. So they just can color the cat, and it already has the paint there. Kids love to paint. The last thing is a small little sensory bin. I put some color rice and I put some things in here, and we can look for them. Oh, there's the letter C. Oh, there's a little cat. Cup. That also starts with the letter C. Cup. Here's another cat. The letter C. What's this? It's a coin. Coin also starts with the letter C. Another cat. Kids love to play with sensory bins. This is a little one, and this is perfect for them. One more letter C. This is a great sensorial activity. It's also great for hand-eye coordination. And as children pick up the little objects, they're using the little pincer grasp. I hope you enjoyed the activities I had for you today, and I'll see you next time.